So this is our example store. We're using the debut theme, but this works with every theme pretty much the same way. And let's say we want to change the color of this text, right? So what we can do is right click, inspect, and oh, okay, I already changed the color, but no, I think that's just the selection. So if we just hover over different elements on our page, we can see the class name, we can see where the element or the space the element is taking up on the page. And for this, I'm using Chrome Inspector tool. This works with Safari as well. They both have really good development tools for the browser, but I prefer Chrome, and I believe the majority of people right now are using Chrome. So let's continue with this. And if we click on this element over here, we can see that the class name is h1 mega title large. Okay, and we can see over here the styling that's applied to this element. So what we can do is we can just go over here and we can give it a color, let's see, color black, and we can see it automatically changing, right? So but whatever we do here actually doesn't stay on the website, so we need to go into our theme, go to edit code, and if you're working with the live store, you want to make a duplicate of your theme first. Let me show you how to do that. You can go over here and duplicate your theme, so that just in case you mess something up, you can always go back to your duplicate. And this is our, and okay, so I already had the file open, but usually you would see something like this. And if you go to the assets folder, your CSS file is going to be in your assets folder. And usually it's going to be called theme, or it's going to be called styles.scss, or it's going to be a CSS. SCSS and CSS are pretty much the same thing, except one is using this framework or a library called Sass. So let's go here, and then let's just see again. The class name was called mega title large, and we'll just copy that. Command F, and there we go. So for this theme, they actually are using Sass, which is like variables that they use for different types of properties. But we'll just create a new line and we'll go color black. Save that. And then if we refresh, there we go. So stayed black. Very cool. And we can see right there the change that we added to the file. What else might you want to change? Let's say this one, we want it to be a little bit smaller. This one's called mega title, or the P. Actually, let's deal with this one since we're already on it. So what else can we do? Or where else might you want to do? You might want to add a bigger margin at the bottom. So right here we can see that mega title has a margin of 8 pixels. So we can actually try to change that. Give it more space. And boom, 50 pixels. So you might want to do this for your store. So again, we'll go to mega title. And we can probably do with the same one. But let's see if we can find this one instead. Mega title, margin bottom, there we go. We can say that is 50. Go back and refresh. And there we go. That's our store. That's the change that we made. So, you know, play around with this and see what else you can change on your store that you've been wanting to change. Anyways, thanks for